Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I want to give you an update on Assetara because things are getting interesting for me. When I started this test, I put a 400 in the starter plan, giving me a 1% daily. But I wasn't just taking the daily rewards out. I've been putting 20% of what I earn every day back into the plan. So my active amount grew from 400 to now, today, 497 USDT. At this point, I already earned 377. And today, I'm going to perform a new withdrawal, another 73 that I'm going to take out. So if we look at the big picture, I already recovered my original 400 through all the generated rewards. And still, roughly, I will have 50 USDT above that. That's why, personally, I feel like my original risk has been reduced massively at this point. I'm not saying there is no risk anymore. There is always a risk when you are dealing with a platform like this one. Any option in the crypto space has a risk. But this is very different from where I was back in April when I got started, when my full 400 USDT was my money sitting there inside the system. Now I'm basically going to test what's going to happen next. I mean, my initial deposit and the amount I'm compounding along the way. And there is another part I really like about this. My starter plan is going to finish this coming September 15th. I will receive my 400 USDT back, plus the amount that we are compounding. That's why I'm excited about reaching that date. If everything continues working the same way, I will have already pulled out my original 400 and some additional profit until the end of the plan. That's a very different position from where I started. But of course, we still have to get there. So I'm not going to count that money until it actually arrives to my wallet. I'm going to keep testing this option and showing to you exactly what happens until the end of my first cycle. So let's perform a withdrawal. Let's go to send. I'm going to take USDT in the BIP20 network as usual. I'm going to take this full amount. So we should receive 71. I'm going to provide my security PIN and 2FA authenticator, and I'll be back. Confirm, and we'll know they have instant withdrawals. Let's see how long it takes to arrive. It should come to this balance. Let me refresh the wallet. While we are waiting, let me show you also here that in levels, I'm close to completing the second level. I guess tomorrow I'm going to reach that one. And here in task, I've been collecting my daily points. Right now I have 53 points right there. Let me use it right here to see what we can get. And all right, we got just one extra step. That's fine. And let's try it again. And like this one, I think we're gonna get a coupon code right now. Let's copy that one, and we go to settings, and here in coupon codes we just paste that one. Let's see what we got. 95% discount on a swap. All right, well, that's exactly how it works. I got my Assetara there. Oh wait, I just got the report here in my phone. We just received the withdrawal. There you go, 72. So another successful withdrawal from Assetara. And as I'm telling you, at this point, we reached like $450 in payouts only from the passive side, which is really nice. And looks like Assetara is just getting started, because just now is when I see a lot of people getting interested, channels are starting to covering this. But we've been here for almost 4 months now, and that's why I believe getting started as early as possible is how we can get the best out of these options. Well guys, this is all that I want to show you today. As usual, I'm gonna keep observing, looking forward to finish my first cycle here on September 15th. I will come back here to show you how that goes. And if you want to see the whole process, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications. Come and join our Telegram group. The link is in the description. Have an amazing day. Happy compoundings, happy earnings, and I'll see you in the next one. My name is Will, the Crypto Leader. Bye.